Hey, you think I'm cute? Hey, I think I'm cute. Think I'm cute. Hey, think I'm cute. Hey, I think I'm cute. Hey, you see them eyes? Hey, think I'm cute. Hey, think I'm cute. Hey, you see that hair flip? What's up, everybody? Hey, today we're gonna be doing my makeup tutorial. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put some e.l.f. on my face real quick. I believe this is some concealer. I kind of forgot, but I think this is some concealer. Just gotta put it on my face real nice and evenly. Matter of fact, this isn't concealer. This is moisturizer. I woke up a little late today. I'm a little drowsy, but you know, it's all good. So we're just gonna rub this in my face real quick. Get it real nice and smoothed in. Then we're gonna take this, which is upside down, and I have no idea what it is, but we're gonna put this underneath my eyes just to cover up my dark areas of my eyes. I believe this is just like some some eye enhancement cream. You know what I'm saying? It plumps up the eye area. Then we're gonna take some Bobbi Brown. Make sure you go get that Bobbi Brown album, My Prerogative, all those good hits. You know what I'm saying? Sonny got the best 90s playlist. I'm just saying, a little plug for him real quick. So I'm just drip this all over my face. Look like a maniac, but it's all good. It's that drip. You know what I'm saying? You know, everybody got their drip. This is my drip. So I'm just pat the drip in my face, smooth out everything. As you can tell, I am no longer red. I'm a nice even tone of tan. So then we're gonna take this tube and we're gonna start drawing, y'all. We're gonna start drawing lines. You know what I'm saying? Not any lines. We're gonna draw tribal lines. We taking it right back to the ancient civilization. We're gonna put lines all over the place. Then I'm gonna take some Chanel, because you know I'm bougie. I gotta have Chanel on my face at all times. So we're gonna just rub Chanel in my neck a little bit, smooth it out, and definitely this is my catfish method. As you can see here, I just drew a line on my face, and now I have a whole new face. Whoa, why is the camera moving? Earthquake, you know what I'm saying? We got a little mini earthquake real quick. Ain't no big deal. Now we're gonna take some Betty White and put that on my face. It looked like it said Betty White. I think it said that. Then we're gonna rub this in. I believe this is concealer. We're gonna just, conceal our face a little bit, mix it in with the tribal lines. Then we're gonna take number one. I don't know what number one is. This is the heavy concealer. This is like, just give me that Asian doll action. So I put this on. We're gonna go for the full tribal look right now. I mean, we got so many lines on our face, it's crazy. But then we're gonna blend them in. And when we blend them in, we create all kind of shadows, highlights. Who the hell was that just ran out the room? I think that was Sashimi. Oh yeah, she running around acting crazy. So we're gonna blend in all the dark lines, the tribal lines, you know what I'm saying? Get that nice and blended in, but we're gonna leave the light lines until last, because that's our highlight area. The highlight area gotta pop, you know what I'm saying? Gotta give us that face shape that we need. Then we're gonna take some number two, we're gonna bake something. We're gonna bake a little bit on our face. So we're gonna put this, I don't know what that motion was, under our eyes. Let this bake for a little while, give us that nice, clean Asian doll look. Then we're gonna keep patting this under our eyes, giving a nice powdery feel, nice powdery look. You know how it is. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to keep on patting this in our face, because that's what we do. Eyes looking hella small all of a sudden, dust flying everywhere. Keep rubbing this in. We're gonna get a little more white powder. Hella powder. Then we're gonna take some pound cake. We're gonna pound the cake in our face at this point. We already done baked. Now we're gonna pound the cake in. So we pounding some more cake in, man. Nice light colors to give it a nice blend. I have no idea what's going on, but I'm gonna keep just putting dust. Look at all that dust in my hair. Hella dust in my hair. You know how it is. So we're gonna just blend it out a little bit. Blend out the shadows. Pretty much at this point, I just dumped a whole bag of flour on my face, but it's all good. It looks good. Just wait for the results. Then we're gonna take a little bit of this that I didn't see what it was, but we're gonna take a little bit of this. It looks good. Get it all down in the neck. Take the red brush, blend it out. Just make everything look natural. That's what it's all about, making stuff look natural. Keep sweeping. Just don't stop sweeping, sweep. You understand? Then we're gonna take a little bit of this red circle. We're gonna put some red circle on my neck. I don't know why I'm putting it on my neck, but I'm gonna put it on my neck. I think it's gonna give me some more shadow action. Then we're gonna take a fan brush. Fan brush gonna give me some nice cheekbones. So we're gonna create some cheekbones real quick with a little brown dust on the forehead. We're gonna have some forehead wrinkles. Some forehead definition. Put that on the forehead. Then we're gonna take another brush and put some definition on the nose. Gotta contour the nose, you know what I'm saying? Contour the nose, make that joint look nice and thin, nice and snatched up. Then we're gonna put some more powder on our face because we don't have enough already. We're gonna put more powder on our face, man. Look at my hair. Hair is full of dust right now. Then we're gonna take some red stuff. We're gonna put some red stuff on the cheeks, make it look real nice and rosy, you know, like some rosemary action. Go ahead and blend that in, nice little rose colored cheeks like it's cold outside. Something happened, sneezing or something. I don't know what that was. Then we're gonna do the eyebrows. Eyebrows are looking very powdery because of all this powder right now, but just wait until it's finished. So we're gonna blend the eyebrows in with a little pencil. Keep on brushing that out. See what's popping with that. You know, just keep brushing it. You know the vibes. They looking real gray right now, but just give me some time. So we're gonna keep brushing them in. Not really quite sure what I'm doing. I'm just brushing them in with some lotion or something. Then we're gonna dip them in some cream. That's gonna darken them up. That's gonna bring the color back to them. So we bring back the color to them, you know, like a nice brown, black actually, not brown at all. Lips is looking a little ashy, so we gotta put some lipstick on real quick, some lip gloss. Oh damn, gotta spray myself, feel the Holy Ghost real quick. Oh shit. Now we're gonna put little dots on our eyes, you know what I'm saying, little dots just to give us some kind of base. We creating a base right now, you know what I mean? We creating a base because we're gonna add more later. So right now we just gonna put a little layer, little base coat down, you know what I mean, little base coat. Then we're gonna add some color. We're gonna add a little bit of brown glitter. You know, I think a little brown glitter would do nice. Get it nice and deep in the little crevices right there. Create a nice shadow eye effect real quick. Just brush it back and forth, you know. Then we're gonna take Huda Beauty, man. Huda Beauty, I see this a lot. So we're gonna take the Huda Beauty, we're gonna put this on our eyes, make us look all nice and sleek and exotic. Take a nice desert brown, you know, little reddish color in there. We're gonna blend that in. Then we're gonna take the amber color, add some more color. It's a lot of color. Like I'm adding a lot of color to my eyelids right now. It's crazy how much color I'm adding. So I'm gonna add some more color, some more brown. We're going for the fox look. We're going for the Tom Nook look right now. We're gonna add some white to blend out the brown because the brown is looking a little too deep. So we're gonna take the light color. It's like an eye on top of my eye. We're gonna create that on top. Then we're gonna add some sprinkles. We're gonna add the glitter sprinkles and we're gonna brush it all the way. We're gonna just brush it all the way, man. You know, just get it nice and vibed out. Spray a little white stuff on it, a little clear stuff, glue, I guess that is. And then we're gonna keep on patting that eye. Keep patting that glitter in the eye, man. Swoop that joint away, you know what I'm saying? Just swoop that joint. Keep on patting under the eye, clean it up a little bit. Now we gotta go in with some more powder, man. We got a lot of powder on here, man. Enough to bake a whole ass cake. But we're gonna put some more powder under the eyes. We're gonna blend it in a little bit. You know how, you know the vibes. You know the vibes. Let's just blend it in a little bit. Now we're gonna do a little singing. Oh, dang, you know the vibes. Hey, welcome to the party. Okay, now I'm gonna put my eyelashes in. Nice little strip. These some glam lashes. Look how big of a difference this makes on the look. This will make or break your look right here. You add some nice thick lashes to your look, you're gonna make it or break it. Just set the whole look off. So now we're gonna brush the lashes out. Keep it nice and clean. Brush them out, make them look real natural, real glammed up. It's crazy how close I come to my eye with these metal prongs, but it's all good. Ooh, now we looking official. Now we gonna brush it all the way, clean it up. Brush a little more red on there to give us them rosy Asian cheeks. You know what I'm saying? Asian doll cheeks. Then we gonna spray it up. Get that Holy Ghost back in us. Then we're gonna take a little bit of highlight. We're gonna brush that on the nose, get that highlight popping. Highlight on the cheeks. Boom, boom, boom. Bada boom, bada pow. We're gonna get all that highlight on there. Get nice and shiny, nice and glammed up. Get a little bit on the lips, then brush that out. Yeah, now we looking like Mary Carter from Instagram right now. Wait. We got one more thing. Lip gloss. Now we're gonna slap the lip gloss on. Make it real shiny, make it real thick and juicy. And bam, that's the look. Done. All day long. What y'all think about this glam look right here? This everyday makeup tutorial with Mary Carter. What's up? Now I gotta show y'all how cute I am. I gotta flip my hair a couple times. Even though it's still a little dusty on top, but I still gotta flip it a little bit. Make sure you see all the nice, luscious, long locks I got. You know what I mean? Little tongue action because, you know, I'm hot. Don't you think I'm cute? Yeah, I know I'm cute. I know, you ain't gotta tell me. Brush out the sideburns a little bit. I spray the Holy Ghost on us one time. Oh man, we in a damn Pantene commercial in this joint. Even I don't know what's going on. All right, everybody, that's the end of the video. Peace.